Ayun, thank you so much. Ayun. Woo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ayun. RBB ko TV Ronald Araw. Bali na visit naman itong Sawangan Fort. Ito yung 2024 basahin natin yung Pacific Partnership. Yung dinikit talagang ginawa ng mga Korean Navy. Napakaganda. Ayun Rock Navy. Lapitan natin guys ito. Ipapakita ka sa inyo guys ito. 2024 Pacific Partnership, the future of the sea, created by cooperation. Ayan, 2024, 8 and 14, Rock Navy and Macy's BI Marine Corporation. Then pasalamat natin si architect na ito, si Mayora, then lahat ng mga Navy, Korean Navy, then Army, pasalamat natin. Parang nag-aurora na sila, nag-aurora na. Ayan, ayan, para at least di mainitan si Mayora.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
It is indeed very inspiring and encouraging to talk with you this afternoon, because I've seen how this rock was constructed for the past several days. Every time Captain Kim will come to my office, all my girls will shout, "Oppa!
Oppa!"
And hoping that sound will be noticed and will be bring to Korea with him. And
Oppa.
until now, they are asking if the other guys, other Oppa, can go to my office to have a picture taking with my girls, my employees. Kidding aside, according to Captain Kim, this rock comes from Jeju Islands. 3 times I was there. I've seen the old women used to dive in the sea for several minutes until they are old, but their agility is still very strong. They can stay several minutes under the sea to catch a fish. Because according to the history, all the men used to catch a fish at the far area of the shorelines. So, in behalf of the city government, we would like to express our gratitude to the Korean government for this project, a collaboration of the Korean government and the Philippine government. This will be another Instagrammable in Legazpi City, especially in Sawangan Park. This Sawangan Park is the best view, is the best place so far, this moment in Legazpi City to come, to relax and enjoy. This Sawangan Park is the wife of Lieutenant Colonel Park Jung-woon. This is already your wife, because this is Sawangan Park, or Park Sawangan, your wife. Kidding aside, I will not talk too much because I know it's very hot. Again, from the bottom of our heart here in Legazpi City, in behalf of our Honorable Mayor, Honorable Carmen Geraldine Rosal, we would like to express our gratitude. We hope that this is the beginning of more pergola and walkways to be constructed here in Legazpi City. Thank you.